Wuben reached out to me and they asked if I would take a look at one of their Penlights, and anybody following my channel knows that I use Penlights all the time. In fact, I keep one on me every day. It's my EDC. Understanding that Wuben makes very good flashlights, I said go ahead, send it, we'll take a look at it, and I'll share it with you guys. And they did. Inside the box, you're going to find a manual. You're going to find a couple of replacement O-rings in a bag. You're also going to find a USB A to C charging cable, a lanyard, and the flashlight itself. The first thing that I've noticed about the Penlight itself is it is very light. It's not a very heavy flashlight. In fact, when I place it next to a regular Sharpie, you can see that they're almost the same size. It also has a nice metal clip built onto it. It is removable if you'd like to remove it, and that clip is double acting. It can be clipped on from the front or it can be clipped on from the back. The whole flashlight is also IP68 rated, so if you accidentally dropped it in some water, it's not going to hurt it. And inside you're going to find a 10880 cell battery. Now these are becoming pretty popular in pen style flashlights. There is kind of a disadvantage and advantage to this style of battery. One is you have to pull the battery, and then you can see down here is where you plug the USB-C charging cable in to charge the battery. But the advantage is with the battery inside the flashlight, they're able to seal this 100%. But because this battery has kind of sort of become an industry standard, well, you can replace it if you need to. That's not going to be a problem. Overall quality and feel is extremely nice. It does have a rear button activation. This is how you turn it on and off. This makes it nice because you can hold it with one hand and activate it. And then to turn it back off, obviously you just press it again and it will turn off. Now that button also acts as a brightness button because when it's on, you can lightly press that button and walk through the different brightness modes. There are 4 different levels of brightness. The first one is moon mode. It puts out 1 lumen, which isn't a lot of light, but it will last 125 hours on a full charge. So it's a pretty good emergency light if you absolutely need it. The second brightness is considered low. It puts out about 50 lumens, which is about as much as a cell phone flashlight. Third mode, or medium mode, puts out a little bit more. This is 150 lumens. And then high mode puts out an impressive 650 lumens. Now on high mode, per the manual, per the instructions, it says it'll produce 650 lumens for about 1 minute. After that 1 minute, the flashlight will go into thermal protection mode and it'll start to decrease that output. All of that being said, in high mode, it should last for another hour. But I think what I really like about this flashlight is, well, how much of a throw it has. It's not a super thrower, but if you need to use it to spot something out, well, it definitely does that, which makes it a great inspection flashlight. So what are my final thoughts? Well, I really like the Penlight. I love the fact that it's waterproof. I can drop it in some water and it's not going to hurt it. I like the fact that it's rechargeable. I'm not too happy that I have to pull the battery out to charge it, but then again, the flashlight lasts long enough. You're probably not going to be charging it that often. I like the fact that it's relatively bright and it has a little bit of a throw, which is kind of uncommon in Penlights. This seems to throw quite far for what it is. I do plan on making this my current EDC flashlight, and anytime if I have a problem with it, I will put it in a pinned comment down below. If you're interested in purchasing this flashlight, I will also put an affiliate link down below. If you like these types of videos, don't forget to like and subscribe. Take a look at some of my other videos. At the very least, you might be entertained.